Over the past couple of years, I've had the opportunity to work with many different people. The question that is often talked about is what makes the difference between the people who get what they want and everyone else? It all comes down to mindset and perspective. In this video, I will discuss the 5 mindsets of successful people. This video is going to be very informative, interesting and insightful, so don't skip it. You will never get a second chance in life. Please hit like and share this video on your social media. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our future updates. Let's start the video. Number 1. Successful people have a purpose. When you look at great achievements and the people who worked on them, there is a common theme. Every great achievement came from the person having a purpose. This purpose was greater than just themselves or their personal gain. Of course, achievers understand that they themselves will benefit from the achievement, but this ego-driven desire is not enough. Successful people do what they do because of a need to see these achievements come to the world and impact us all. Number 2. Successful people use their time to its fullest. Using all your available time to forge ahead is common with those who achieve greatness. Success is sprung from an unrelenting desire to see a vision become reality. The cause that drives them is energizing, not tiresome. To these people, it is a passion, not an obligation. Number 3. Successful people understand the role of failure. With any new venture comes new learning. As human beings, we learn best through trial and error. This failure is what holds most people back from beginning. The successful understand that they will first have to stretch themselves to new learning before realizing the goal. The more comfortable you can become with this idea, the faster the goal is realized. Number 4. Successful people seek out obstacles. To achieve, you must understand that there will always be obstacles along the path. You will not be able to see all of them when you begin, but they will inevitably be there. The successful understand this and trust that when the time comes and the obstacle comes up, they will be prepared to overcome. They seek out the obstacles instead of trying to avoid them. Number 5. Successful people look for the outcome. Beginning any new challenge is difficult. The successful understand this and accept that during the journey, they will experience discomfort and even pain. This is why they will always look to the outcomes of the work they are doing, and not what they are feeling. Successful people know that when they are in deep and willing themselves through a difficult time, they will experience discomfort. They have a perspective that discomfort and learning go hand in hand. During your day-to-day, reflect on these 5 perspectives and ask yourself, if you were to adopt these perspectives, would you be in the same place you are now? How can you change your habits to adopt a more focused and successful mindset? All change begins with a purpose. What will you strive to become? What will be your purpose? Thanks for watching this video. Please comment if you have any questions about this video. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Do not forget to like, share and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.